Alright, so good morning. I'm on the Holly Hammock Trail. It's in the Ross Prairie Forest in Ocala. It's Easter, so happy Easter. And we're gonna see what we can find today. It's a cooler morning, so I'm hoping there'll still be some animals around. But not bad views just on their own. So my camera I got with me, it's called a Kodak Pixpro AZ528. Kind of quiet as I move along. And this park opens at 8. I'm here at about 8:30, 8:40, so you can also camp here overnight. That's probably something I'll try. They have primitive camping, regular camping. But what's so cool is I'm not even a mile away from the road, right? And like a regular civilization, I can't hear any of it. All I can hear right now is the birds. And I don't know about you, but that's more comforting to me. Until they stop, in which case I will be not very comforted. So basically, anytime that I think I'm seeing a cool bird, because the different types of birds, some will like to hang out on the ground, some will like to hang out there in the trees. Ooh, there's a big spider web right there. Cool little different types of moss right here. See, I'm hoping because I can see a bunch of big birds heading over this way, then I'll be able to get some good photos of them. Definitely seeing trails of hoof stock. Technically right now I'm off trail. Right there. I'm hoping I'll spot something up in one of these trees. Because what I want is one of the bigger birds that are a little bit easier to see. Because I can keep track of them if they start moving around. Against the law or anything. I just want to find where I'm hearing this bird from. So, my assumption is most everything is not going to be hanging out because it's hot, right? So they'll be in the trees. Granted, it's not great for me because that means it's a little bit harder to see everything. Sorry, burp a little bit. But that gives me a little advantage of just knowing where everything's probably at. But check that out. A lot of people don't know that Florida has prairies. Like 40 minutes from here, there's a place called Payne's Prairie. They have bison. I talked about this in one of my other videos. Some of them are from up north. Some of them are genetic descendants of the ones that were originally here. So Florida did originally have bison, but they were kind of just hunted down to extinction over time. Same thing, they got Florida cracker horses. They're from the original Spaniards. Came here, and they brought those horses with them. And when they left, they just left them. And I'm back on the hiking trail. I'll find a spot here in a second. Kind of lay my stuff down and get some water. Still kind of getting over being sick. There's a chance it was COVID. I'm not 100% sure. It is what it is. It sucks when you have it. But it's that season. Something right above me making noises that I would love if it just stopped. And landed so I could get a good photo of it. Check this out. You can see where the tree starts. This is how much shade just these trees provide. This is why we need trees so badly. It is bright and sunny out there. Right here with all these trees. I'm cool. It's not hot. But I guarantee you, when I get back to my car, it's gonna be hot. Little fallen tree right here. Only thing that's keeping it up right now is this other tree that it fell on. That's pretty cool. Oh, I just stubbed my toe. Area's kind of changed a little bit. Footing's a lot more solid here. I think it's a lot more just because of these different tree roots. And you can tell you go a little bit uphill here. It's not super, like you really wouldn't notice unless you were paying attention. Check this out. Just 3 trees right in the middle of the trail. Bang, bang. It's funny because squirrels, like, everything else, like, communicates, you know, like, not super loud. Squirrels just sound like they're yelling at each other. Just had a little snake go rolling by the bush right at my feet. That scared me a little bit. But I think people don't realize that snakes, more often than not, as long as I don't step on it, it's gonna go off the other way. It could care less. As long as I'm not actively trying to hurt it, it will go away. Most snakes do not want to attack people. Even water moccasins, which have this this big stigma against them for chasing people. They might, but only if they feel like there's no other option, like they're cornered. Yeah, snakes get a bad rap. This is also how you can tell you're amongst pine trees. You see all the different pine as I'm walking. Now I'm just in with a bunch of different pines. It's crazy how tall they get. You gotta be careful because snakes are a real thing here, but you can tell this is like a little mud wallow. At different animals. I'm assuming boar kind of muck themselves up through. Check this tree out. Might be from lightning. Yeah, I would say that's lightning. you watch any of the Bigfoot shows, this is definitely Bigfoot's house. Excuse me, sorry, Florida. So, Swamp Ape.